The new Apple Watch will track your health, last all day, and save your life. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Tell you everything you need to know about Apple's latest launch and all of the new products over at CyberGuy.com. Now, Apple released a slew of new products, and I was there up at Apple Park 4 in the morning, yes, bright and early, for the launch with Tim Cook to get all the insider details. They announced 4 new iPhones, and boy, was it worth the wait. The second generation of AirPods Pro and 3 new Apple Watches, one getting enormous buzz. First up, introducing the Apple Watch Series 8. Now, more tracking power than ever before in this. It's got an 18-hour all-day battery life, and for the first time, Apple Watch will feature low power mode, so you can conserve battery, and with low power mode, your Apple Watch Series 8 can last 36 hours on a full charge. That's a first. Low power mode still tracks your activity and detects falls, but it will disable the always-on display and workout detection. Now, for those workout fans using Apple Watch, it now keeps track of your stride rate. Apple Watch also now allows international roaming, which I love, especially like to travel. You can stay connected to the cellular network abroad if you add your plan now to a Watch Series 5 or later using watchOS 9, which will be coming out September 12th. Now, there's a wide variety of colors available. The finishes are gorgeous that you could choose from, along with the bands to fit your personality or style. Apple Watch SE, though, that's the intro one that stuck with a really nice, attractive intro price. The second version of SE is 20% faster than the last Apple Watch SE, and it also comes in various finishes and colors. Now, the one getting all the buzz, the third new smartwatch, is the Apple Watch Ultra. I mean, people are buzzing about this galore. Now, it's the coolest new accessory. People are going to love wearing it for status, but it's pretty amazing where you can go with this thing and still be connected. It's the toughest sports watch yet and features a new button the other 2 Apple Watches do not have. It's called the Action button. Every Apple Watch Ultra will come with GPS and cellular as a standard, and it'll feature amazing settings to help with hikes on trails, going out on extreme mountain hikes and stuff, and then actually going underwater and diving. The Series 8 and Apple Watch Ultra also include new features geared toward tracking women's health. You'll find a cycle tracker for menstruation and ovulation thanks to a new temperature sensing capability on the Apple Watch. It actually has a sensor against your skin and then one on the top to measure ambient to get a more accurate reading of what's going on in your body. Now, it's also going to keep track of your heart rate and other health safety features like new crash detection. Yeah, it sounds like it is. It is what it sounds like. If you're in a car crash and your Apple Watch is on your body, it's going to detect it and contact first responders for emergency help. The Apple Watch Series 8 is going to start at $399. Apple Watch SE, the lowest price one, $249. And the pricey one, the one everybody's talking about, the Apple Watch Ultra, starting at $799. And I put that thing on and thought, oh, this thing is really going to be heavy and bulky. It did not feel that way. It felt like a normal Apple Watch. It was comfortable to wear despite its size. Try it on. Just go see it. It's going to be at the store eventually. You can go check it out and put your own eyes on it. That's what I recommend. If you're going to pick any of these watches, money's no object, this Ultra nails it. I mean, it's crazy incredible. And then if you're going for another watch at this point, I would say if you're about 3 generations back, maybe Series 5 or earlier, it might be time to just upgrade to a Watch 8. These features that are so safety conscious, really you can't put a price tag on that. You want to find out more detail, you go right here. Sign up for my free newsletter at cyberguy.com.